There are many dark manifestation techniques that are so powerful that nobody wants to talk about them. These techniques work so fast that it can be scary, because if you don't do them properly, you can manifest negativity in your life. Forget everything you thought you knew about manifesting and get ready to tap into the darkest power of manifestation. In today's video, we will explore the 4 dark manifestation techniques that no one wants to talk about, and how you can use them to manifest your deepest desires. So let's get started. Are you ready to tap into your shadow self and manifest your deepest desires? One of the first dark manifestation techniques is to embrace your shadow self. The shadow self is a concept in psychology that was first introduced by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. It refers to the parts of ourselves that we don't like to think about or acknowledge. These are the parts of ourselves that we keep hidden from the world and from ourselves, often because they are associated with negative emotions such as shame, guilt, or fear. The shadow self can include things like our fears, insecurities, negative beliefs, and repressed memories. It's important to acknowledge and integrate our shadow self into our lives and our manifestation practice, because these parts of ourselves can hold us back from achieving our goals and living our best life. To tap into your shadow self for manifestation, start by acknowledging the aspects of yourself that you don't like or try to hide. This can be difficult and uncomfortable, but it's an important step in the process. Write down your fears, insecurities, and negative beliefs. Sit with them for a while and try to understand where they come from. Once you have identified your shadow self, use it to your advantage. For example, if you're trying to manifest a new job, acknowledge the parts of yourself that may be holding you back, such as fear of failure or lack of self-confidence. Then focus on manifesting a job that will help you overcome those fears and build your confidence. By acknowledging and integrating your shadow self into your manifestation practice, you can tap into a deeper level of manifestation and achieve your goals more quickly. It's important to note that integrating your shadow self is an ongoing process. It's not something that can be done overnight. It requires self-awareness, self-reflection, and a willingness to face uncomfortable truths about ourselves. But by embracing our shadow self and using it to our advantage, we can unlock new levels of manifestation and live more fulfilling lives. The second dark manifestation technique involves using your negative emotions to fuel your manifestation. Instead of suppressing or ignoring negative emotions, you can use them as a source of energy to manifest a positive outcome. Negative emotions such as frustration, anger, and sadness can often hold us back from achieving our goals. They can create a sense of powerlessness and prevent us from taking action towards our desired outcome. However, by using these negative emotions as a source of energy, we can turn them into motivation and manifest our desires more quickly. To use your negative emotions for manifestation, start by identifying the source of your negative emotions. What is causing you to feel frustrated, angry, or sad? Is there a specific situation or person that is triggering these emotions? Once you have identified the source of your negative emotions, focus on manifesting a solution to that problem. For example, if you're feeling frustrated with your job, focus on manifesting a new job that aligns with your passions and values. If you're feeling angry with a friend or family member, focus on manifesting a resolution to the conflict. By focusing on a positive outcome that addresses the source of your negative emotions, you can turn your frustration or anger into motivation and take action towards your desired outcome. This can help you overcome any obstacles that may be holding you back and manifest your desires more quickly. It's important to note that this technique does not mean dwelling on negative emotions or using them to harm others. Rather, it's about acknowledging and accepting your negative emotions and using them as a source of energy to manifest a positive outcome. Third technique is to use seagulls. Seagulls are symbols that represent a desired outcome. They can be used to focus your intention on a specific goal or outcome and can be a powerful tool for manifestation. To create a Seagull for abundance, start by identifying the specific type of abundance you want to manifest. This could be financial abundance, abundance of love, abundance of opportunities, or any other type of abundance that resonates with you. Next, write down the letters that spell out your desired type of abundance. For example, if you want to manifest financial abundance, you could write down the letters FINANCIAL. Then remove any repeating letters, which in this case would be the letter INA. Finally, use the remaining letters to create a unique symbol or design for your Seagull that represents the abundance you want to manifest. This could be a simple or complex design, depending on what resonates with you. Once you've created your Seagull, focus your intention on it and visualize your desired outcome. For example, if you're using a Seagull for financial abundance, you could visualize yourself receiving unexpected income, getting a promotion, or achieving financial goals. The key is to focus your energy and intention on the Seagull and visualize your desired outcome as if it has already happened. The fourth dark manifestation technique involves using your dreams as a tool for manifestation. Your dreams can be a powerful source of insight and guidance, and by tapping into them, you can unlock new levels of manifestation and achieve your goals more easily. To use your dreams for manifestation, start by visualizing your desired outcome before going to bed. This can be any goal or desire that you want to manifest. As you visualize your desired outcome, ask your subconscious mind to work on it while you sleep. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool for manifestation, and by asking it to work on your desired outcome while you sleep, you can tap into its full potential. Your dreams can provide insights, guidance, and even solutions to problems that you may be facing. When you wake up, take some time to write down any dreams or insights you may have had. Even if your dreams don't seem to relate directly to your desired outcome, they may still provide valuable insights or guidance that can help you in your manifestation practice. Use these insights to guide your manifestation practice. For example, if you have a dream about a specific person or situation, think about how that dream may relate to your desired outcome. Is there a message or insight that you can take away from the dream that can help you in your manifestation practice? By tapping into the power of your subconscious mind and using your dreams as a tool for manifestation, you can unlock new levels of manifestation and achieve your goals more easily. It's important to trust the process and be open to the insights and guidance that your dreams may provide. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.